Solve form for STEM quest. Complete the form to solve the STEM quest and the answer to the riddle. Look back at your challenges for the answers. First, type your last name in the box here. Next, you will type your first name in the box here. You will now select your cycle number. The read section. Go to the read section to help. What other planet besides Earth has water on it? Saturn, Uranus, or Mars? The watch section. Name the terrestrial planets in order. Earth, Mars, Venus, Mercury. Venus, Earth, Mars, Mercury. Or Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. The move section. List the planets in order from the sun. And Mrs. Ryan gave you a little helpful hint here. My very excited mother just served us nachos. So your choices are Neptune, Saturn, Uranus, Mercury, Venus, Jupiter, Earth, Mars. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Or Neptune, Uranus, Saturn, Jupiter, Mars, Earth, Venus, Mercury. The Discover section. What year did the first people move into the space station? 2001, 1999, or 2000? The Explore section. How many windows does the cupola of observational module have? 6, 5, or 7?